Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Nykaa app we click on settings. Then in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Nykaa app and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Nykaa app. If you find updates in this blue sign, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your